Now, this illustration deals with continuity and attachment of equipment grounding conductors to boxes in accordance with NEC 250.148. Now, at the very top of the illustration, the callout says, where more than one branch circuit enters a box, all such conductors shall be spliced or joined within the box to the box with devices suitable for use. The next callout says the arrangement of these grounding conductors shall be such that the connection or removable of a receptacle, fixture, or other device fed from the box will not interfere with the grounding continuity. Now, reviewing the last callout, the arrangement of these grounding conductors will be such that the connection of the devices will not interrupt the grounding continuity. Now, that's very important when we review 250.148b. Now, let's review the inside this box and see how that's done. First of all, the equipment ground is brought in, then a joint is made, and notice a pigtail or little bonding jumper goes over to the bonding screw of the box and bonds the box in. Then we would have a pigtail or bonding jumper going out to connect to the equipment. And then notice the wire nut is suitable for the use. It could be a Buchanan, a Scotch lock as we used to call them, or whatever type of a connector that you're using to secure the joint. And then notice the equipment ground is also connected and going out through the wiring method below. Now, this arrangement, we can remove, say, a receptacle or a fixture with the equipment ground, and then notice that we have never broken that equipment ground so it would not be continuous. That's what this section is calling for. Now, 300.13b as in boy calls for the same rule for a grounded neutral. Both of these sections, 300.13b and 250.148, work together to make sure that we are not breaking the equipment ground and making such a installation or connection that would interrupt it and not provide continuous continuity of the equipment ground. And then 300.13b deals where the neutral is a multi-wire circuit, where, say, 2 hots share one neutral, or 3 hots share one neutral. But I'm calling your attention to both so that you don't put your fellow companion that may be coming in behind your brother in a hazardous condition because we didn't enforce 300.13b and 250.148, and that's what this figure 16-131 is illustrating.